Hello and welcome to today's flow. This practice focuses on twists to support digestion, spinal mobility and internal balance. We'll begin in a comfortable crossed-legged seat. Inhale, hands up to the sky, look up. And exhale, gentle twist to the right. The right hand goes behind the back. The left hand crosses over the right knee. Inhale to elongate the spine and exhale to twist. Exhale back to center and inhale, hands up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the other side. The left hand behind the back, right hand on the left knee. Inhale, straighten the spine and exhale, twist. Exhale back to center. Inhale, hands up to the sky, look up. And exhale, release the hands down. Gently make your way to a 4-point kneeling position. And prepare for some cat and cows. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. And exhale, arch the spine, look down. Inhale, look up, open the chest. And exhale, tuck the tailbone, look towards the navel. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, cat. Back to center. Inhale, the right hand rises up to the sky, open the chest to the right. And exhale, sweep the right arm under the left armpit. With your left hand, you can check if your hips are leveled, and then you can extend the left arm towards the top of the mat. You're stretching the upper back and the right shoulder here. Release with an exhale. Inhale, right hand back to the sky, and exhale back to center. Other side. Inhale, left hand to the sky, open the chest to the left, and exhale, thread the needle under the right armpit. Inhale, check that the hips are leveled, and exhale, extend the right hand to the top of the mat. Breathe. Exhale, release. Inhale, left hand to the sky, open the chest to the left. And exhale back to center. Reset the spine with some cat and cows. Child's pose. 2 down dog. Take some time to pedal your feet and think about the alignment. Focus on lengthening your spine. Imagine a force pulling your hips up and back. Keep your knees bent as much as needed to achieve a long, straight spine rather than a rounded back. Connect with your breathing. Inhale, right foot rises up to the sky. And exhale, right knee to left elbow twist. Inhale, leg goes back up. And exhale, right knee to nose. Step the foot between the hands. Lower the left knee. Rise up in Anjaneyasana, hands up to the sky, look up. Breathe here. Focus on grounding the right foot and left knee into the mat while growing and elongating the spine to the sky. With an exhale, open the arms in a T position, twisting towards the right. Inhale here. And exhale, right hand to the left foot. Stretch the left side of the body. Breathe. Come up with an inhale. And exhale, hook the left elbow outside of the right knee. Parivrtta Anjaneyasana. Inhale, look down and tuck your left toes. Exhale, lift your left knee up. Open your arms wide for an extra challenge. And if it is in your practice, find a full bind. Slide your left arm under your right thigh and simultaneously reach your right arm around your back from the top. Clasp your hands together behind your back. You can always use a strap if the hands don't reach. Inhale to release the bind and exhale, lower the left knee down. Inhale to open the arms wide and exhale back to center. Inhale, hands up to the sky and exhale, ground your palms to the floor, 4-point kneeling position. Inhale to a plank pose and exhale, chaturanga, bend the elbows to 90 degrees. Inhale, up dog, urdhva mukha svanasana. And exhale, down dog, adho mukha svanasana. Take some time here to reconnect with your breath. Relax. When you're ready, the left leg rises up to the sky. Inhale. And exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. And exhale, knee to nose. Step the foot between the hands. Lower the right knee. Inhale, hands up to the sky, Anjaneyasana. With an exhale, open your arms in a T position, twisting towards the left. Inhale here. And exhale, left hand to right foot. Stretch the right side of your body. Inhale, come up. And exhale, right elbow hooks outside of the left knee. Twisted lunge. Press your palms together, lift your chest towards your thumbs, and lengthen through the crown of your head. Inhale, look down and tuck your right toes under. And exhale, lift your right knee up. You can open your arms wide for an extra challenge or find your bind. The right arm reaches under the left thigh and the left arm goes behind your back. Clasp your hands. Breathe. Inhale, release the bind. Exhale, lower the right knee down. Inhale, twist towards the left, arms in a T position. Inhale, back to center, hands up to the sky. Exhale, hands down to the mat, 4-point kneeling position. Inhale, plank pose. And exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let us move in some down dog twists. Inhale, the right hand goes outside of the left ankle. Look under the left armpit. Breathe. Change side. The left hand goes outside of the right ankle. Eyesight under the right armpit. Back to center. Breathe in your down dog. When you're ready, lower your knees to the mat and sit back in a child's pose. Reset your spine and breathe. When you're ready, come up and release, and with your time, come to lie down. Let's get ready for supine twists. With an inhale, hug the left knee to the chest, and with an exhale, use your right hand to gently guide your left knee across your body to the right side. Eye gaze to the left. Allow your lower body to twist naturally. Back to center. Change side. Right knee to chest. Inhale and exhale. Use the left hand to gently guide your right knee across your body. Your right arm is extended towards the right. When you're ready, release. Hug both of your knees to the chest and gently get ready for your final resting pose, Shavasana, corpse pose. Feel free to breathe into your Shavasana for as long as needed, but if you're ready, meet me in a crossed-legged sitting position. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. It was a pleasure having you with me. See you next time. Namaste.